Hi guys, in this video we talk about the Honor Magic 5 Pro versus Honor 100 Pro. Honor Magic 5 Pro launched on February 2023 with the price tag of $999, and the Honor 100 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $500. The dimensions of these devices is same, and the weight of these devices, Honor Magic 5 Pro have 219 gram and the Honor 100 Pro have 195 gram. And the build of these devices, the Honor Magic 5 Pro build with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the Honor 100 Pro come with front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both devices come with dual SIM. Let's talk about the display of these devices. The Honor 100 Pro and the Honor Magic 5 Pro come with OLED 1 billion color display, and the display size of these devices, Honor 100 Pro have 6.78 inches and the Honor Magic 5 Pro come with 6.81 inches display. And the resolutions of these devices, the Honor Magic 5 Pro come with 1312 by 2848 pixels and the Honor 100 Pro come with 1224 by 2700 pixels. And the PPI density of these devices, the Honor Magic 5 Pro come with 560, 460 and the Honor 100 Pro come with 437 PPI density. The refresh rate, the both devices come with 120Hz refresh rate, and the screen to body ratio is same, and the both devices have Gorilla Glass protection. And Honor Magic 5 Pro come with 1800 nits peak brightness and the Honor 100 Pro come with 2600 nits peak brightness. The camera of these devices, the Honor Magic 5 Pro come with a triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and a TOF 3D depth sensor. It's record 4K 60 fps video. And the Honor 100 Pro come with triple camera setup. First 50 megapixel wide, 32 megapixel telephoto and the 12 megapixel ultra wide. It's also record 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera, the Honor Magic 5 Pro come with dual camera setup, 12 megapixel and TOF 3D sensor, biometrics and 4K 30 fps video recording with selfie camera. And the Honor 100 Pro come with dual camera setup, 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and it's also record 4K 30 fps video with selfie camera. The platform, the both devices come with octa-core Cortex X3 CPU and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm processor, and it's come with Adreno 740 GPU. The both devices come with Android 13 and 14. The memory of these devices, the Honor Magic 5 Pro come with 8GB, 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the Honor 100 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. And the storage, Honor Magic 5 Pro have 256GB and 512GB of internal storage, and the Honor 100 have 256GB, 512GB and 1TB storage. And it has no SD card supported. Let's talk about the battery of these devices. The Honor Magic 5 Pro come with 5450 mAh battery and the Honor 100 Pro have 5000 mAh battery. And the fast charging, the Honor Magic 5 Pro come with 66 watt fast charging and the Honor 100 Pro come with 100 watt fast charging. And Honor Magic 5 Pro come with 50 watt wireless charging and the Honor 100 Pro come with 66 watt wireless charging. The both devices come with 5G network, and the features and common is same. The result of these devices, the Honor Magic 5 Pro got 23 points and the Honor 100 Pro got 22 points.